Hello YouTube. Today I have a good theme today. I'm going to be talking about what is a solid state hard drive. It was actually a question that that someone posted in one of my videos. What is a solid state hard drive? And I'm gonna be talking about a solid state hard drive. Apparently, even though there's a lot of information out there, many computer users, disregarding if you have a PC or a Mac, are unaware that they have solid state hard drives in their machines. And I think that people need to know what their machines have in order just in case they want to do upgrades, or even it's just general knowledge. Like, let's say you have a 6-liter engine in your car, you don't know you have it. It would be cool if you have that knowledge in your mind. So I downloaded some information and I'm gonna be discussing it briefly. What is a solid state drive? It is a non-volatile storage device that stores persistent data on solid state flash memory. The difference between that and a regular hard drive is that the solid state has no moving parts. A traditional hard disk has a spinning disk that reads or writes information, and it has a mechanical arm as an actuator. A solid state hard drive, on the other hand, just has an array of semiconductors memories organized as a disk drive. So, in plain old English, a hard drive, it's like a little box, and inside that box there's a little disk with an arm that writes and reads the information. So let's just imagine that you have a CD inside a little box with some circuits and cables, and that is reading and writing information, whatever you're doing to it. A solid state drive, just imagine a whole bunch of semiconductor units inside a little box. Those units are, you can compare them. Imagine a whole bunch of flash drives all joined together inside a little box, and then that is plugged into your computer, and that is a solid state drive. So basically, a solid state drive is safer and faster than a conventional hard drive, because it uses flash memory, which is in fact similar. It works similar to what RAM memory does. Therefore, it is gonna work way faster. But this solid state, don't get confused. Solid state drives are not random access memories. They're not RAMs. They are a hard drive in which you can store information and read and write data. Here I have a little bit of the history. Let me see. Solid state drive performance is considered much faster than electromagnetical disk drives. You could have faster boot times, so if you basically have one of these solid state, your computer is gonna boot much faster than if you're using a regular state. The first solid state drives were called hybrid drives, in which the disk itself had a conventional disk inside and also had flash memory modules in it. The company EMC is credited with being the first vendor to include solid state drive in enterprise storage hardware The earliest commercially designed solid states were made with an enterprise called MLC. Also, IBM, Samsung, and Toshiba produce and market SSDs with 3D NAND memory, in which flash memories are stacked atop one another in vertical arrays. So this 3D NAND is just basically the way they stack up those modules in vertical layers. That's why they call it 3D NAND. Anyways, I hope that you learned something new today. Now you can go out there and tell your friends what is a solid state hard drive, and you can figure out if you have one in your computer already or not. Also, a pretty cool thing is that the first, if I'm not mistaken, the first portable device that featured a solid state was in the iPod in 2005. It says here the debut of the Apple iPod in 2005 marked the first notable flash-based device to broadly penetrate the consumer market. So basically, the iPod technology made it popular in the consumer market. Basically, many people had these solid states inside their iPod without even knowing so, basically. So it's been here for a while. It's just becoming a little bit more popular now that it's being featured in a whole bunch of arrays of laptops such as the MacBook Pro. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned something new. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And please comment below. I reply every comment. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.